Alright, let's take a look at another example of finding the area. We got an application. Let's read through this problem. Finding the area of a backyard. So the new homeowner has a triangular shaped backyard. 2 to 3 sides measure 53 feet and 42 feet and form an included angle of 135 degrees. To determine the amount of fertilizer and grass seed needed to be purchased, the owner has to know, or at least approximate, the area of the yard. Find the area of the yard to the nearest square foot. All right, so let's get a picture of this backyard here. So again, as we're looking at the backyard, we've got a triangular shaped, right, with 2 sides of 53 feet and 42 feet in length with the included angle of 135 degrees. So let's draw that in here. So here's our 2 sides of 53 feet and 42 feet, and the included angle would be this angle, which is 135 degrees. So we want to find area. We know again area is equal to what? Area is equal to 1/2 times base, right, times height, right, which we have the base of the triangle. 1/2 times base. The base is 42 feet in length. Now, I don't know the height, h. Let's find h. So again, let's draw a picture of that. Right, let's drop in the height. Right, and let's look at, when we do that vertical, we drop it down to base, we're forming, of course, a 90-degree angle. And I'll highlight this right triangle now that we formed by doing that. We got our 3 sides and 90-degree angle in it. Now again, this side is 53 feet in length, and of course this side is h, the height. So let's go ahead and find that height. In our right triangle, we also know this angle. So again, that angle would be what? 180 minus 135, so it would be a 45-degree angle. Alright, so let's use sine again to calculate height. So what is the sine? So again, I'm trying to find h, right? Finding the height. So sine of 45 degrees is equal to opposite, which is the height we're looking for, over the hypotenuse, which is 53 feet in length, right? There's the hypotenuse, the side opposite that 90-degree angle. So let's go ahead and solve that. So we're going to solve for h. We need to go ahead and get rid of the 53 down there in the denominator. So we'll multiply both sides by 53. As we do that, we get h, right, our height, equal to 53 times the sine of 45 degrees. So there's the height of this triangle. So back to our area, 1/2 times base, 42, times height, which is 53 times the sine of 45 degrees. And it says round to the nearest square foot. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. Let's pull up our calculator. And let's go to the nearest square foot here on this one. So we put in 1/2, 0.5, times 42, times 53, times the sine of 45 degrees. So I get 787, right? 0.00. Now, of course, it said round to the nearest square foot, so it'll be 787. So let's go back to our problem. So we got 787 square feet, right? Feet squared of area in this backyard. So again, we found, right, the area of the triangle-shaped backyard. So we need to buy enough fertilizer to cover that. So we need to buy what fertilizer to cover 800 feet squared feet of the backyard. So again, that's application of area, and again, we're using a little bit of geometry and trig to find that.